Hi, I'm Rachel from 360 Life Safety, here to talk to you about our medical bags in our first aid kit line. When we began developing the medical bags, we wanted to make sure that we aligned ourselves with an organization that has broadly accepted training programs. That's why we designed our bags in alignment with the basic life-saving programs of the American Heart Association and the American Red Cross. And these bags are just that. They are wonderful to take with you anywhere, especially to a more remote location where it could take a little longer than expected for first responders to arrive, like long distance traveling, camping, or boating. These med bags are packed with great items and they come in 2 different sizes. We have our mini medical bag with 101 pieces. For those of you who have a larger family or want to equip your businesses or houses of worship, we have our medical bag. There's 236 pieces in this bag. And these bags are so wonderful and functional. You can store them anywhere you want to feel a little more prepared than your typical first aid kit. So put it in your car, in an RV or a boat. You can take it with you to your kids' sporting event or on a family vacation. Each bag also has an empty side pocket, perfect for one of our mini trauma aid kits. So you can be completely ready with first aid and trauma aid, allowing you to always be prepared for the unforeseen, where you learn, work, play, and pray. You can check out both these bags more in depth at www.360lifesafety.com.